Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to discuss about the NEET Chemistry questions. So this is part 35 series. So in that series particularly we are going to discuss about the lesson of p block elements. Okay. So in that we are going to discuss about the important topic of group 17, that means halogen. Okay. In that group, how the halogen to have a maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective periods in the periodic table. Okay, so according to the property, like whether it is a nuclear charge and whether it is a electronic configuration, electron affinity and increasing atomic size or otherwise atomic radii. Okay, which property enhance the halogen to have a maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective periods in the periodic table, that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so this is the first question. No? So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, so let's go to the first question now. The question is here, that is following which property. Okay, so they have given the property here, 4 properties. So following which property is enhance the halogen to have a maximum negative. The maximum means it is more here. The negative electron gain enthalpy is more for the halogen according to the one of the property mentioned in the option. Okay, so in the respective periods in the periodic table, in the periods it is the gain enthalpy is, electron gain enthalpy is more. Okay, negative electron gain enthalpy is more in the period according to the property. So that we have to find out, and here they have given the consolidate correct option here. So we, from that we have to choose one option, whether it is a 1 and 2, otherwise 4 and 2. Here 3 and 4 and 1 and 3. So these are the 4 options. From that we have to choose one option. Okay, so we have to check with them nuclear charge and electronic configuration and these 4 options. Okay, so we have to see what is, how the halogen is having a maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in general. Okay, like left to right in a period. Period means it is left to right in the period of periodic table, right? So and in the down in the group also, how it is happening, the electron gain enthalpy is more or less, that we are going to see now. Then we will going to discuss about the property as per the concept, whether it is a left to right period, otherwise in the down in the group. Okay, so generally what is happening for the halogen, the group 17 having a, there is a left to right period, there is a electron gain enthalpy is more in the left to right period generally. Okay, and down in the group it is less negative. Okay, why it is? Because due to the fact that atoms of the elements have a only one electron. Okay, only one electron less than the stable noble gas configuration. Okay, if you take, okay, I will tell you, for fluorine, what is the electronic configuration? Helium 2s to 2p5, correct? So it is having a only one deficiency electron. So if the p orbital, no, 2p5, one orbital, if one electron will gain from the other atom, then it will move into the, what is that state? It is into the noble configuration state, right? For the noble configuration state, what it is? 2s to 2p6, no, for the noble gas configuration. So it is ready to get the electron, ready to gaining the electron and get into the stable state of noble gas electronic configuration. Okay, so due to the fact that atoms of the element have a only one electron less than the stable noble gas configuration. Okay, so if it is like that, what happened? There is a halogen having a maximum negative gain enthalpy in the corresponding period. Why it is? I have explained, no, with the fluorine, because they wanted to get and gain the electron. Okay, gain the negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective period. If we go to left to right in the period, so that only in the left to right in the period, in the periodic table, halogen is having a, what is that? It is having a more negative electron gain enthalpy in the periods. Okay, so this is the general concept they have given here, and also down in the group how the negative electron enthalpy is. It is less. Why it is less? Because if you take fluorine, okay, fluorine has a less negative electron gain enthalpy than chlorine. Okay, if you see that periodic table, first the fluorine will come, then fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, but here they have mentioned here fluorine has a less negative electron gain enthalpy than chlorine. Not in the periods they are telling about the groups. Okay, so the fluorine has a negative electron gain enthalpy, okay, that is less than chlorine. Why it is? Because the fluorine has a small size atom. Fluorine has a atomic number is 9, no? For the chlorine, if you go and check, it is 17, right? So it is more atomic size than fluorine. Okay, so fluorine has a small atomic size, chlorine has a bigger atomic size than fluorine. So due to the smaller size of fluorine atom, the less negative electron gain enthalpy is has enhanced. Why it is? Because there is a inter-electronic repulsion in the small 2p orbital of F, that means fluorine. Okay, so you know the electronic configuration for the fluorine is helium 2s to 2p5, right? So in the 2p orbital, no, okay, there is a strong inter-electronic repulsion is happening. There are three types of inter-electronic repulsion that you know, that is lone pair electron will repel, and lone pair and bond pair will repel, otherwise the bond pair and bond pair will repel. Okay, so the lone pair repulsion, that inter-electronic repulsion means, that means within the atom the electron will repel. Okay, there is a that kind of inter-electronic repulsion is strong in the 2p orbital of fluorine, because it is a very small atom, so that only it won't be splitted, and lateral splitting of electron is not available in the fluorine atom because it's too small. Okay, because of atomic size is 9. Okay, so that in the 2p orbital what is happening, inter-electronic repulsion is happening within the atom. Okay, so incoming electron does not experience the attraction, so incoming, they don't want to attract the electron from the other atom. Okay, they having already the repulsion in the fluorine atom, so that only they are having a less negative, okay, gain enthalpy is there in the fluorine atom when we going to compare and the going down in the group. Okay, not in the period. So this is generally is happening. Okay, first you have to clear about the concept of what is left to right in the period, what is happening, the electron gain enthalpy, and also down in the group. This is what the, okay, situation in the down in the group and left to right in the period. Okay, if you go and check with these property, you know, nuclear charge and electronic configuration, okay, factors affecting the, what is that, factors affecting the negative electron gain enthalpy, what is that, what are the factors will affect the these negative enthalpy? Okay, atomic size and nuclear charge and electronic configuration, these are the three property will affect the, okay, negative electron gain enthalpy. Okay, so what about the atomic size, how the atomic size is affecting the negative electron gain enthalpy of the halogen? Here, if the size of the atom increases, okay, I have drawn the atom here. Okay, here the size of the atom is increases, suppose. Okay, what happened, the distance between the nucleus and the shell which receives the incoming electron is increases. Okay, if the size of the atom increases means what, the atomic size is more, right? So distance between these atom, here I have mentioned, no, red color, so this is a nucleus, the distance between the nucleus, and here I have mentioned the blue color, no, this is electron considered. So if you see, it is more distance here, so that only in the from the last shell to from the nucleus there is a distance is happening here, so it receive the incoming electron is increases, so that only the incoming electron is increases in the outer shell. Okay, so once the size of the atom increases, the distance between the nucleus and the last shell which receive the incoming electron also increases. Okay, now what about the decreasing nature? The decreases the force of attraction between the nucleus and the incoming electron, right? The force of attraction will be less because it has a more distance from here to here, from nucleus to electron. Okay, the distance is more, but electron is increases, but here the distance is more, so that the force of attraction is less. Correct. So the incoming, what happened, there is a attraction between the nucleus and the incoming electron is decreases. Okay, because of the force of attraction is decreases, the electron gain enthalpy is less negative. Okay, once we, here I have to explain the thing. Once the electron gain enthalpy means what, here this is the atom, here this is one of the atom, this atom is gaining the electron from this atom means, okay, what is happening, it's gaining the electron, so that electron negative value is increase. Okay, so that means minus value will increase. Okay, so here what is happening, the if the force of attraction is less, what happening here, okay, it won't attract the electron from this atom, so the electron gain enthalpy become less negative only, but it is a less negative, not more negative gain enthalpy. Okay, so this is what happening with the atomic size. Okay, let's go and check with the nuclear charge. So what we have to conclude, the atomic size is not the correct property to enhance the that left to right in the period of halogen to have a more negative gain enthalpy. Okay, so come to the nuclear charge here. So nuclear charge increases in the atom, okay, if the nuclear charge is effective. Okay, so the force of attraction between the nucleus and incoming electron is increases. Correct. If the nucleus, in the center of the atom nucleus is there, no, nucleus means what, nuclear charge means the proton is, there are more number of proton is there in the nucleus, that's what the nuclear charge increases, right? So the proton is increases mean the proton will attract the electron more, right? So that the force of attraction will be more between the nucleus and the incoming electron from the other atom, so it increases. Hence the enthalpy, that means gaining electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. Okay, so this is the correct answer, no? So nuclear charge, this property is enhance the electron negative gain enthalpy, it makes more in the halogen. So this is one of the option. Nuclear charge is the one of the option. Okay, what about the electronic configuration? Okay, the elements with the exactly half filled or completely filled orbitals are very stable. Yes, first we have discussed in the general point what I told, it's ready to go to the noble gas configuration, because I have explained with the fluorine, no, that is they are having the electronic configuration of helium 2s to 2p5, so it is going to get the one electron in the p orbital and it will move into 2p6, so totally 2s to 2p6 you will get, so you will get the noble electronic configuration. It's wanted to make a very stable state. Okay, so that only it got a what, it got a more negative, that means maximum negative electron gain enthalpy. Okay, so you wanted to get a very stable state, we have to supply the energy to add electron. If once electron should added in the particular atom means we have to supply the energy to add the electron. Okay, so we have to supply energy means what, we are adding the electron, for that we have to supply the energy means here the energy is adding, not subtracting. Okay, so the value is increasing, so the electron gain enthalpy has a positive value here. Okay, not a negative value, electron enthalpy is here the positive value here, so the electron enthalpy becomes less negative in the going from top to bottom in the group. That means what, in the down, okay, group from the top to bottom in the group, okay, down in the group it is become less negative, more negative in the left to right in the period, because it's wanted to go to the noble state. Okay, so it wanted to gain the electron. Okay, from that only it is more negative gain enthalpy it is having. Okay, so these are the two property is having. What are the two property? Nuclear charge and the electronic configuration. Let's go and check with the option here. So which is the option is the correct option? Nuclear charge and electronic configuration is the correct answer for this question. So choose the correct option from this consolidated answer is 1 and 2. So this is A is the correct option for this particular question. So nuclear charge and here this is the correct answer for this question. Okay students, I think you have understood